Hello and welcome to the new style GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to 1. This is Edexcel paper 1MA1/3F. It's the third paper in the foundation tier. It is a calculator paper and we're picking up in question 19. Asif is going on holiday to Turkey. The exchange rate is £1 equals 3.5601 lira. Asif changes £550 to lira. Work out how many lira he should get. Give your answer to the nearest lira. Okay, so for some people it might be straightforward. You just multiply the £550 by 3.5601. For others we might be worrying, should we multiply or should we divide? I'm not sure. So let's think this through. If I've got £1, I'm going to hand that £1 over and I'm going to get 3.5601 lira. Then if I add another pound, I'm going to get another 3.5601 lira. And if I add another pound, I'm going to get another 3.5601. And I'm going to do that 550 times, and I'm going to get 550 lots of 3.5601 lira. So I'm multiplying because I'm adding 3.5601 to itself 550 times over. So we are multiplying 550 times 3.5601. Another quick mental check to make sure this is right. If £1 equates to 3.5601 lira, we're going to expect to get more lira than we had pounds, so we're looking for this to become a bigger number. So 550 times 3.5601 is equal to 1958.055 lira. Now it says give your answer to the nearest lira, so we're rounding up. So this is 1,000 lira, 900 lira, 50 lira and 8 lira. So this is to the nearest lira, is where the 8 is. Now we look at the next digit to see if we round up the 8 to a 9 or not. If that next digit is a 5 or more, we round it up. If it isn't, we don't. And since this is a 0, this does not round up. We don't worry about the other two 5s on the end. It's the one digit immediately after the one that we're rounding that we care about. So this is 1958. It does not round up to 1959. It certainly won't round down. So it's 1958. 1958 lira. Okay, Asif sees a pair of shoes in Turkey. The shoes cost 210 lira. Asif does not have a calculator. He uses £2 equals 7 lira to work out the approximate cost of the shoes in pounds. Part B says use £2 equals 7 lira to show that the approximate cost of the shoes is £60. It's very nice of them to give us the answer. All we have to do is see how they worked out that answer. Okay, so pretend that £1 is 7 lira. All we would do is divide by 7. And again, we've got lira. We know there are more liras than pounds. So if we're converting from lira back to pound, we would expect to get a number that's smaller than the one we started with. So if we divide 210 lira by £1 equals 7 lira, we would get 30, because 7 cancels into that 21 3 times. So because 3 times 7 is 21, so 30 times 7 is 210. So that's 30. But instead of 30 lots of £1, it's 30 lots of £2. So 30 lots of £2 is 30 times 2, which is equal to £60. Okay, moving on. Is using £2 equals 7 lira instead of using £1 equals 3.5601 lira a sensible start to Asif's method? To work out the cost of the shoes in pounds, you must give a reason for your answer. Well, The answer is obviously yes. And the reason is that £2 equals 7 lira. Yeah, my writing is terrible. I am going to type rather than write. £2 equals 7 lira is £1 equals 3.5 lira. That's just dividing the 7 by 2 to get 3.5. Remember, you are allowed to use a calculator, which is close to £1 equals 3.5601. £2 equals 7 lira is also easy to do without a calculator, as I showed in the example. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.